All right. So with today's compounds lesson on compound subjects, compound predicates and verbs, and then lastly compound sentences, I gave students a worksheet, um, or I will have given them a worksheet for those that were in class, anyways. But I just want to take the opportunity to talk you through it as well. Obviously, each instruction here says please circle the verbs that are compound verbs or the subjects or even the conjunction for the compound sentences in the third part there. To make matters easier for you, let's just go ahead and highlight those words. Um, so if we look at the first one for please circle the nouns or pronouns that are the compound subjects, there are actually no pronouns in here for any of the subjects, but just to focus on one and show you what I'm expecting. Um, Number 5 says Russell Crowe and Mel Gibson are from the two countries. So the compound subject will be the two proper nouns, Russell Crowe and Mel Gibson. So you would highlight those two names, all right? Now for the second one, please circle the verbs that are compound verbs. You would highlight the verbs that are compounded with each other. And remember, there will be a conjunction between them. So again, if we look at the fifth one, Canberra is the capital of Australia and hosts many travelers each year. So the compound verbs are is and hosts. So you would highlight the word is as well as the word hosts, and then that would suffice what you're trying to do for the compound verbs. All right, third part in the sentences below, please circle the conjunction. All I'm asking you is to highlight the word that is the conjunction. Remember, punctuation is not a conjunction, it is purely punctuation. You highlight the words that are punctuation. All right, then the fourth part here is on a separate sheet of paper. You at home can use just another Google Doc or just actually what we'll do here is if you, oops, if you go up here and click insert and go to break and page break, you'll get a whole new page. So go ahead and type yours on there or write yours on there, type yours on there. But what I would like is you to write 5 sentences. The first 5 cover a compound subject where you would do something similar to this first part here. And then the second one is write 5 sentences that exhibit a compound predicate. That would be the second section here. And then the third one is I would like you to write 5 examples of compound sentences. But I would like you to do something different with this one. I would like you to write your 2 original sentences that you create your compound sentence from. So if we go back to the Google Slides here, I would like you to include the 2 sentences like this option here, and then follow it with your compound sentence below it. So it would essentially be 3 sentences per example. So 3 times 5 would be 15. So this bottom one for compound sentences would actually be 15 total sentences. And then you would have 5 sentences for the compound predicate and 5 sentences for the compound subject. You can go ahead and submit this in Google Classroom. And then if you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. All right.